Who is that? Oh my god, that's Princess Rapunzel. Alright, let's start this. It says complete the Tangled Obby for a surprise. What the heck? Oh, so that's what you do. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're playing the Tangled Obby, so let's get into it. Alright. So guys, how has your day been going? I hope it's been going great. School. Yeah. Tomorrow's Friday though, thank goodness. School's been going pretty okay. Yeah, like usual. Yeah, the reason I don't show my face anymore, I just stopped doing it because sometimes I can get pretty personal with showing my face. So I feel like it's better off not doing face cam anymore and just having you guys hear my voice. It's kind of like you're playing with me. And if I was doing face cam, you wouldn't really feel that kind of cool. It's just not cool. Although face cam gets a lot more attention, it's just not cool. All right. Let's do this. What the heck? What is this? Let's find another obby. Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox video, and today we are going to be playing Roblox Escape the Prison Obby. I just redid the whole intro. I forgot I was still recording. Ew. Wait, is this? Oh, don't tell me this is sewage. Ew. Ah! Alright, I don't even know. Wait. I made it! Oh! Looks like we dug too deep and now we're in the mines. Okay. Luckily I explained why I stopped doing face cam. And just start only showing my face when I'm not doing gaming videos or when I do my reaction videos. You'll know I do face cam because, well, what's the point on doing a reaction video with it just being your voice? Yeah, for some reason it put me. Oh, what the heck? Why do I keep dying? This is so stressful. What the heck? No, I don't want to buy super speed. Oh. I died. Let's keep going. I know I'm going to be able to beat this. I know we're going to be able to beat this, actually. No, I don't want to buy skip stage. I used up most of my Robux, so that's why I don't really buy any of the things on here, because I used up most of my Robux. Oh, hi, November. Alright. Hopefully it doesn't, I think we're playing a Fat Paps obby. Alright. Where does this lead to? Oh my god. Wait, what? Level 2, the vents. Oh, oh my god, I made it. Ah! Oh no! Okay, this level is so hard. Wait, what? I just spawned in my normal clothes for a second. Yes! I made it! Alright, checkpoint. Alright, I don't even care. I just like to say hello. Hi! Should I say hi to them in the chat? This so far, this is pretty good. Hopefully she can catch up. The first time, no, actually, the first time I died in a while. Hi, November. Good to see you. But imagine if I just said hi to her in the chat. I think she knows what she's doing. So I'm gonna follow her. I think she knows where she's going. Oh! Well, I don't know where I'm going. I spawned in my regular clothes for just like a few seconds, and then I just spawned back, and then the clothes come back on, then the prison clothes come back on me. Yeah, I might do a single video of this, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Okay, I finally made it. If I can catch up to that November girl. Oh, that's so bright. Oh, it's hurting my eyes. Out of the cell. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, what is this? Oh my god. Oh, I see her! There she is. What does this button do? It does absolutely nothing. I'm wasting time. Sorry, that was my phone. Honestly, like, what do we do? Wow. I'm proud of myself on this. Whoa. Uh-oh. Okay. How am I supposed to do this? This is literally so hard. I can't wake up the car. If I wake him up, it's game over. If I wake him up, and I possibly die. Okay, is this a maze? Oh! I just clapped my hands over my mouth. Luckily, I know how to get back up there, though. So I know it's not that way. So it's got to be this way. I made it. Psst. All right. Now let's get going. Uh-oh. They're not letting us escape. Hut! 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 Yes! By the way, I'm recording this before I go to bed, so... yeah. Don't have a lot of time left. Alright. Alright, let's climb these stairs. I'm sorry I haven't been talking. I've just really been focused in this. Oh! Yes! The guards are probably like, "Urgh! How are they escaping?" How am I supposed to get up here? How are you supposed to? Oh. They're like, no! They're escaping! The guards. Uh-oh. You're like, no! They lost us. Oh my god, guys. Alright, let's see if we can get off the moon. I see November. I think she's AFK. What is this? Well, looks like we've crashed on the moon. We got low quality. Let's try and get out of this place. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What am I gonna do here? I don't have a helmet. I don't have a helmet. Oh no. I don't have a helmet. I could die. You have to have a helmet on space, or else you'll die. Your eyes will get sucked out of your sockets. That's a pun from Toy Story. Oh. This is a speed run. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I keep making these weird sounds. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! Ah! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Wait, there's 50 stages!